Every new inspection is revealing measurable progress at Camp Nou. The compression ring continues to grow. Installation work is advancing across multiple sections of the stadium, and construction crews remain active on several structural elements at the same time. Let's take a closer look at the latest developments shaping the stadium today. The compression ring continues to make steady progress toward the Tribune section, with additional steel box segments now installed along the stadium's upper structure. Since the previous inspection, one new steel box segment had been erected in both the south end and the north end. During yesterday's visit, crews completed the installation of 2 more steel box segments, further extending the compression ring around the stadium. Attention shifts to the second cantilever to examine the ongoing structural work from a closer position. Large numbers of precast concrete blocks are already staged across this area. Vertical reinforcing bars have also been installed, indicating preparation for the next reinforced concrete elements, most likely wall construction. Work is also underway on the structural steel. An elevated work platform is positioned beside the steel members, where crews are inspecting and tightening the bolted connections. Several workers remain active across different sections of the second cantilever, while additional materials continue to be stored nearby in preparation for upcoming work. The inspection continues toward the lateral section, where more construction materials remain stockpiled. Several elevated work platforms are operating throughout the area as crews continue structural work across the second cantilever. The route then reaches the first cantilever. Activity here is noticeably lighter than on the upper level. A material delivery takes place during the inspection, although the components cannot be identified clearly before they are moved into the structure, and the survey continues toward the areas with greater construction activity. An elevated work platform is operating in front of the steel structure, with crews inspecting and adjusting the bolted connections on the structural members. A tower crane is simultaneously handling a new sandwich panel, which has already been positioned in place. Several sandwich panels still remain to be installed in this section, while work crews continue operating around the facade structure. One of today's notable developments is the return of slat installation in the south end. The section that had previously been left open to provide access for work around the hydraulic piston is now being closed. New slats are being installed across this opening. It is still unclear whether crews will complete the entire remaining section or only install the panels required to close the area around the piston. A second elevated work platform is positioned alongside the structure as installation work continues. The inspection continues along the lateral stand, where fresh concrete work is now visible. This concrete layer was not present during the previous visit, confirming recent progress in this area. The first diamond slab has also advanced further. Most of the formwork panels have now been installed, and the concrete walls in this section appear to have been completed. Attention then turns to the second diamond slab, where construction has also progressed. Deck panels are now being installed over the supporting beams, making the characteristic diamond-shaped geometry increasingly visible. Although significant work still remains, both diamond slabs continue advancing through their respective construction phases, with structural deck preparation progressing steadily before reinforcement installation and future concrete placement. The inspection continues from the south corner, where crews are carrying out final checks on the slat installation. Workers are tightening and securing the slats installed in the previous days, ensuring each panel is correctly fixed before work progresses to the next section. No additional changes are visible on the remaining slat-covered areas. From ground level, another recently completed concrete layer can be seen in the corner area, confirming further progress since the previous inspection. An important clarification also explains why the protective safety nets have gradually been extended beneath the cantilevers. The nets are being installed as crews fit the service pipework beneath the overhanging structure, providing protection while these installations are carried out. This safety measure was not required beneath the first cantilever when similar work was completed at street level. Inside the lateral section, an elevated work platform is operating close to the sandwich panel installation area. No additional sandwich panels have been installed on the remaining unfinished section since the previous inspection. Below, a large quantity of service pipes has been stockpiled near the parking ramp, ready for future installation. Several work crews remain active throughout this area, while the diamond slab itself shows no major visible changes from ground level beyond the progress already observed from above. The inspection continues from the north end, where the compression ring has advanced even further. The latest steel box segment is already in position, and crews are completing the final bolted connections before installation continues toward the Tribune sector. The pace of assembly remains consistent, with new segments being added on a regular basis. From this location, the progress of the ring around the upper perimeter is clearly visible, highlighting how rapidly the structural steel is being completed in this section. Attention then turns to the north end tower crane, which is approaching the limit of its working radius for compression ring assembly. Only one additional pillar, one radial beam, and another steel box segment remain within its operating range. Once this final section has been completed, compression ring installation will transfer to the tower crane positioned in the Tribune area, allowing erection work to continue around the remaining perimeter of the stadium. The nearby diamond slab continues progressing through its reinforcement phase. Crews remain busy installing reinforcing steel across the deck, steadily increasing the amount of reinforcement prepared for the upcoming concrete pour. Temporary shoring is still supporting several remaining sections, although only a limited number of these supports are left, indicating that this phase of construction is approaching completion. Returning to the north end facade, an elevated work platform is positioned beside the support structure where crews are inspecting and tightening anchor brackets in preparation for the next stage of slat installation. The lifting equipment used to install the slats remains positioned nearby, while completed slat installation can already be seen across the adjacent sections of the facade. Additional personnel are also working along the upper level of the first cantilever, carrying out measurements, inspections, and finishing work on the structural steel before facade installation continues. At the north corner, activity is lighter than during the previous inspection. One elevated work platform remains active behind the structural steel, while no significant changes are visible in the unfinished facade support line, where several support brackets and anchor components still await installation. Nearby, crews continue surface finishing work on the hollow core concrete slabs. Activity inside the mobility core is quieter today, with fewer workers visible than during the previous visit. The inspection concludes in the Tribune sector, where several finishing operations are taking place simultaneously. Two elevated work platforms are positioned along the steel structure. On one platform, crews are applying a protective coating to the structural beams, while another team is carrying out finishing work around the vertical steel connections using a white protective compound. Additional work is also underway on nearby structural members, while another elevated platform is operating around the bracket connections. Materials required for the next phase of compression ring assembly, including temporary supports, steel columns, and structural components, remain stockpiled and ready for installation once erection reaches this section. Attention then shifts to the corner between the Tribune and south end, where crews have resumed installing the slat support brackets. These supports had previously been removed from this section and are now being reinstalled in their original positions. Work is concentrated on fixing the support system before slat installation continues in this area. Aside from this operation, no major construction changes are visible across the surrounding structure. With the inspection complete, today's observations confirm continued progress across several key areas of the project. This concludes today's construction survey of Camp Nou. Further progress will be documented during the next site inspection as work continues across the stadium.